Hi guys, what's up? This is Ratsudan and welcome back to another video. So in this video guys, I'm doing this sort of a design style landing page XD design after a long time. I just wanted to do some of a landing page design, and actually it looks pretty decent, so I just wanted to do something like this. And then this is the part 1, and the part 2 actually code this landing page out. So just before we get started, just subscribe to the channel and so you get notified in the part 2, where you can build it from HTML, CSS, and a couple of JavaScript to add some style and animation. Alright guys, so yeah, anyway, let's get started. So by the way, all of these files, I'll actually link this in the description. Maybe the image you want, SVG, and also the whole project file itself is actually in the description if you want to check it out. Okay, so if you download the file, you simply want to get, you're going to be getting this sort of an XD project. Make sure you have XD design, or you can do the same design Figma. It means whatever you think is easy. So basically you can open this in a folder and you get a file like this once you download that, which is less than 500 KB. Okay, less than 1 MB, whatever. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get my new artboard and I'm gonna select my screen resolution. My screen resolution is 1366 by 768, and Farah I used this as a project of 1366 by 768, so I'm gonna select 1366 by 768. You can feel free to get it for 1920 by 1080 as well. Okay, so first of all, I'm just gonna name it desktop 2 because I named the other one desktop 1. Okay, so simply just to take a look from the scratch. Okay, oops, okay, just gonna oops, okay, I'm just gonna delete these up. Okay, so just to take a look at right now, this one, the color scheme is pretty nice. Okay, so by the way, I have all the assets here, right? Go and link my assets, I guess. Okay, so like if you can just get, if you can get it in the most easiest way, you can download this asset and you can just control A, select all of this. Okay, so you'll get all the assets will be selected, and then you can click on the colors to get all the colors. You can get the character styles to get all the characters, and the components to get all the component. And the component is just image here. Okay, so I can just click on this one. Okay, oops, yeah, just this one, and I can get the component, which is this one. Okay, all right. So as far as component, I guess I don't need it. Okay, I'm just gonna delete it. All right guys, so let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create the navbar. All right, so if you see here, all of these fonts I'm using is Product Sans, which is very simple to use. So yeah, let me just go and do it. So I'm gonna say dope medium, which is sort of like a medium article site where you can sort of get your publish your styles and stuff like that, your words, your essays and stuff like that. Okay, so I also want to enable my grid here, so I'm gonna make sure it's in the same, it looks right. So I'm gonna go right here and place it right above here. Okay, right in the ending, and I'm gonna go to the assets, and I have all the assets. Okay, so I'm just gonna select this styling only, and in this case which is just one Product Sans, so I know it's 22 pixels is what I wanted. Okay, so let's select this and I put it up right above here. Okay, that's what I want. All right, so the next thing I want to do, I'm just gonna grab this like that. I'm just gonna put this right up the end. Okay, right here, and then I'm gonna change this to, I guess, home. Okay, and I'm gonna change that particular to 20 Product Sans 20 pixels, and I'm gonna paste it right, I guess somewhere here. Okay, it doesn't really matter unless you make sure everything is right and aligned properly. It doesn't matter at all. So I'm not just gonna align it right there, so both of them is good. So first of all, I want to take this a bit down, so let me just get a bit down there, because I just don't want it to look super up, stretching to the upper part. Okay, so now what else do I have? I have product, services, and contact. Okay, so what I want to do, if you see the layers here, it's sticking. Okay, I want the contact to stick at the right end. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do, let me just, oops, also I'm going to press Alt and grab it, or you can just say Control D, I believe. Control D to duplicate and get it up. Okay, press Alt and grab it. I'm gonna press it. So make sure you have like the same amount of pixel rate, maybe like you have like 45 is good, I guess, and you can have 45 here and 45 here as well. Okay, the box where it appears, it has like the same styling. And last one is gonna be contact. Okay, and I think, oops, I'm just going the wrong way. And let's say product, I guess that's product. Yeah, and then we have services. Okay, so services. Okay, that's what we want. And then I'm gonna write above, line this contact right there, and I'm gonna have it around 40 or 45, I believe. 40-ish. 45 is a good point. I don't know if I'm going there. Okay, 45 looks good. And I'm gonna place this one as 45 as well. This one at 45 right there on that box. Okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna check whether it's 45. So I'm gonna grab that and this one. So why is that? Oh wait, is that because I got all the assets it's not giving me? Okay. Alright guys, I was covering my microphone for now. I guess you didn't hear me properly, but yeah, once that's all we have for now. Okay, and now I guess let's take a look. Oops, not this one, this one. Okay, looks decent. Okay, that's what we want. Okay, and the next thing that I want to do, I want to just simply grab this text, the high text. Okay, so I'm just gonna copy the text only. Okay, I'm not gonna duplicate that and do stuff here. I'm gonna come here, paste it here. Okay, which is a very small text. So I'm gonna go for the easy content. I'm just go to the assets and click on this, which has 67 pixel. Okay, or I guess 78 of line spacing. Okay, which is just a matching space which we have here, and I'm just gonna place it right here. Okay, so it matches, right? Yeah, it does match. Okay, I'm just gonna place it right here, and it looks good. Oops, where's that? I'm just gonna place it right here. What's happening? Just copy the text. Whatever. Okay, it has masked or something. It's just going giving an error. Okay, so I'm just gonna paste the text here. And now I'm just gonna go for the assets right here. Give it accents. Okay, looks good. I'm just gonna place it somewhere here. So let's zoom in here and also place it here. Okay, looks nice. And for now that's it. And we're just gonna grab this asset, this particular logo. Alt, oops, to get that. What's that giving me? Sort of an artboard. I really don't understand. Sometimes this used to happen. So I guess yeah, I'm just gonna ungroup the components. Okay, now I can just grab it like that. Okay, I'm just gonna call J and I'm gonna copy that. Okay, and I'll leave this in the description as well as the whole project, so you don't need to worry about anything. Just download it and get to go. I'm just gonna place it somewhere here. Okay, this looks nice and clean, and if you just zoom in and see, you can see it looks same as the other one. Okay, alright. I guess it's nice. Okay, now it comes to the buttons, I guess. Okay, so yeah, it comes to the buttons, and afterwards we'll add some highlighting, some colors and stuff. And now we'll just have it like that. Alright guys, now we're gonna create the buttons. Okay, so I'm gonna go right here, create a simple rectangle right here. Okay, so I'm gonna put it something like that. Okay, so I'm not sure of the exact spacing and stuff, so let me just go and take a look at the assets. Oops, no, it wouldn't be there. So what I want to do, I want to fill this up in a very nice little, okay, this color right here. So I'm going to just give it a fill only. Okay, you can have it sort of a dark one. I'm having this color, which is FF hashtag hexadecimal, which is obviously hashtag, then FFF4C2. Okay, that's what it's gonna do. Okay, alright, so now what I'm gonna do is that I have it. First of all, I'm gonna get off this grid. I'm gonna get rid of the grid, if that's a call. Okay, so don't mind it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it right above here. Okay, just on that thing. Okay, And what I want to do next time is that, okay, I want to grab this start now text. Okay, so I want to just say text is up right here. Let's say start now, and I'm just gonna come to the assets and I'm gonna give this 20 pixels, and that's what I want. I'm gonna come right here and center this up here. Okay, and I want to take a look at the button as well, the state of the button. I guess it's the same thing. I just want to make it a bit bigger. That's the only thing I just want to have. Okay, alright guys, so yeah, the button looks nice, and I'm just gonna give it a basic border radius, something like that. Okay, I didn't want to go like fully bold, like 50% of it. Just a simple curve there, that's what I wanted to do. Okay, it looks nice. Okay, it looks like a rectangle as well as sort of a, like, a good border radius. I guess that's 12 or something. It's 14. Yeah, that radius is like really good. Okay, so I'm gonna select this board. I'm gonna Control J to grab this, and I'm gonna get my grid now. Okay, because I aligned. Make sure you align this stuff in a grid so you know how, are you in the grid system, and it looks nice. Are you in that, the way of doing the buttons and the whole design. And now, yeah, that looks good. I guess I'm just aligning to this column right there at the end of it, so I know in the next time I can do it like that. So, and the spacing of the both of it also looks good. Okay, so now I want to just change up the styles of it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to I'm going to click right there, and I'm going to give the border, not a fill. Okay, and if you see the border, I'm gonna say the color, which is sort of like a light, like a mid gray. Okay, which is hashtag 707070, which is a nice color. I just got it. Okay, and then the border radius is actually 1. You can increase if you want that. Okay, something like, I guess I was trying to do it like 3. I guess 3 looks nice, but it looks also a bit weird, because it's too much. I just wanted to have it at 1 because it looks clean, and that's what cleanness is what I want. Like, I want this to be like a really minimalistic, as well as just to fit with the color scheme. Okay, I'm just gonna center it, selecting both. Okay, I guess the spacing looks nice. Yeah, it looks nice. And I'm gonna obviously change the text to, I believe, sign up for free. Okay, so say sign up for free. Okay, that's what I want. And I'm just gonna simply put it, first of all, I'm not gonna change the text size, so I'm gonna keep it right there and expand the rectangle. Okay, something like this. Okay, I wanted to just like, it's just a tip. Now if you're actually doing something like a landing page design, always match your font styles or font sizes with the nearest button, just to make the button just the same. Don't try to increase or decrease the font size, because it would look really weird. Okay, so yeah, for now it's good. Okay, that's what we want. And I'm also going to simply center that, selecting both, just the center, and that's centered. Alright, that looks cool. I guess we are 95% done, and the one thing I want to do is add some basic, this custom custom, what do you call this, a custom design or sort of something. Okay, so once we are doing it, we're going to basically position that absolute and put it left 0 and top 0 and do it like that. Okay, so which is going to be in the part 2. Okay, by the way, if you're watching this later, the part 2 should be in the description, so you feel free to go and check it out. Okay, or leave the card right there. So I'm gonna try to do this pen tool styling, because most of the time it's very hard for me to do it, and somehow in luck I get sometimes in luck I just get this. Okay, and sometimes it's very hard, so I'm just gonna place it somewhere here. Okay, I need some spacing for the pen tool. Okay, I'm just gonna try my best, so I'm just gonna copy and paste that up. Okay, well, yeah, I'll just try it. Okay, I'm just gonna put, it's just random, not just like thought of styling. It's just a random styling that gets into my head, and I sort of pen tool it. Okay, let me just go like that. Okay, and come here, give it a bit of a stretch over here, not that much. This is good, and yeah, this should look good. Okay, oops. And now what I do, I simply double click on this. Okay, oops, I'm gonna get this one, and I'm gonna get rid of the border, go to fill, and I'm gonna fill this color by, I'm gonna select the color, which is this particular nice color, it's really nice. Okay, and now that looks nice, but still I want to make some corrections. I want to just get this pen tool here. Okay, I'm just gonna place it here. I want that curve, but still, some sort of like an edgy curve over there. You feel free to mess around with the style. Okay, that's one. And the second thing is this one. I want to just make sure it goes a bit back. Still that curve over there. Oh, yeah, looks nice. Okay. All right, I hope that styling, that sort of a curve looks nice. I'm just gonna place it right here. Okay, so I guess the other one looked better. Oh, it looks kind of sort of the same though. Expect this like a big one, so let's change this up as well. So let's, okay, something like that. Okay. All right, so I guess and the colors are a bit different. I guess this is a lot darker. Okay, so I'm gonna fill this up with this color. Okay, that looks cool. All right, guys, so yeah, it pretty much looks cool. And the next thing I want to do, just to give it like a, what sort of what could I actually say, I can say a border bottom to this dope medium text. So I'm gonna place something like this. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of the border. I'm gonna go and fill this up with this color. Okay, and now it's pretty simple for me to just increase the border size of it, something like that. Border to be like full 50% border radius. I'm gonna come up here, right here. Okay, and just decrease it. I just want to look super big. I just wanted to have sort of a like a textured type of a line there, just to make sure it tops off, it just pops off from the different, it's just a logo, right? I just wanted it to pop off. All right, just to look at the design, I hope I've done a good job. I guess it just looks the same. So that's it for the video, guys. Like, thank you so much for watching. Just a simple, very small video, but still something useful, some sort of a minimalistic design style. Okay, so there's a lot of white spaces. You can really fill this up with a lot of stuff. You can fill this up with a nice background. You can fill this up with a lot of stuff. But this is just a very simple video. But if you have really loved this video or like this video, if you find it helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Be subscribed to this community of Rather Official. Okay, and we're 110 subscribers. For all of that 100 subscribers and 110 subscribers, it really means a lot. Thank you so much. And yeah, that's been it. And I'll see you in the part 2.